This is Matt, and this will be a short video on how to calculate calories online. So if you need to calculate calories for whatever reason, there's a really simple, straightforward calculator at calculator.net/caloriecalculator.html. That's a bit of a mouthful. I mean, I even struggled to say it. So I will put that link in the video description just below this video, so you can just click on that link and wind up here. Now by default we have metric units showing here, so in centimeters and kilograms. You can do US units if you prefer, so we've got feet, inches and pounds right there. There's other units as well if you want to play around with that. Let's go with metric units first of all. All you need to do is enter the age of, well, yourself or your client or whoever it is. We're going to go with 35-year-old. We can go male or female right here. We can change the height. We'll go 188, and we will say 95 kilograms right here for the weight. Then activity, we can set an activity level, so everything from sedentary, light, moderate, active, very active and extra active. So let's just say active right here, up to you. There are also a whole bunch more settings here. If you want to get more specific, you can even enter a body fat percentage right here, and then we just click calculate. And just like that, we get this maintenance weight at 3,030 calories. So that is essentially, and all of this is a guesstimate. Obviously there are more specific ways of doing this, but if you just want a kind of a base rate, you can use a calculator like this. They've got all of the breakdown here in the tables. There's a table up here, the main one here that's highlighted in green, shades of green. So the maintenance weight, if you want to essentially maintain your weight at that weight, this calculator at least is suggesting you need 3,030 calories per day. That's at 100%. Mild weight loss, 0.25 kilograms a week, would result from 2,780 calories per day. That 92% is what this calculator is suggesting. Obviously your mileage might vary, but you can see, I won't read them all, but you can see all of them there. It's as simple as that to use this calculator. I'm just going to click back, and then I'll show you quickly the US version. So obviously you can put your own details here. US wise, let's say it's a 40-year-old female, as we did a male last time. We'll say that she is in fact 5'6". We'll set her weight at 130, and we'll say we'll keep it on active, so daily exercise or intense exercise 3 to 4 times per week. So again, you've got your settings here if you want to set the body fat percentage or whatever you want to do there. Now we will click calculate, and just like that, we can see for this 40-year-old lady, we have the calculations right here. So whether you're using this for clients, whether you're using it for yourself, very, very useful calculator. At calculator.net. Feel free to bookmark it. It'll always be available for you wherever you're on the world, whether you're on your cell phone, mobile, tablet, desktop like I am right here. Hopefully you found this video on how to calculate calories online useful. If you have, drop this video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.